Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Harsha Viki,
author of.
Kerala economy.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
So wonderful. It's a platform is very great. This opportunity is very best in world.
Talk a bit more about your book and how it will help people who read.
So economic students are more interesting this book.
Right.
Mainly concentrating old age economy,
Right.
human concentration of educated unemployment in Kerala facing major problems. Discuss this book.
Right.
This by and grateful.
Right.
Kerala economy is all economical conditions are included in this book.
Right. But what is your general view of Kerala's economy right now?
Kerala economical model is a special model.
Right. It is not a capitalist economy.
It's not a capitalist. It's a welfare state
Right.
in India.
Okay.
So they are on models, but old age economy is now facing difficult. Care economies main go through in Kerala economy. Youths are go to outside in world.
Right.
The world. So their own opportunities are go to outside the employment. So
Right.
any other new cultural exposures are introduced. They are on.
To our audience of writers, what is some advice you want to give?
This book is a gift for the readers.
Right.
They aware of the Kerala economy all round.
Right.
This book. Then tourism is another factor in Kerala. So develop now tourism in God's own country is a main quotation in Kerala.
Right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming here.
Yeah,
I hope you have a
thank you so
wonderful
much.
book fair experience.
Okay.
Thank you so much.